Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the Riot Client not opening or launching issue.
Fix 1. Restart Riot and Vanguard services. Step 1. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Step 2. In Tasks, Riot Client Services, Vanguard. Step 3. Restart your PC and open Riot Client again. Fix 2. Run Riot Client as administrator. Step 1. Right-click Riot Client shortcut. Step 2. Click Run as administrator. Fix 3. Disable antivirus/firewall temporarily. Step 1. Turn off third-party antivirus or Windows Defender temporarily. Step 2. Launch Riot Client. Step 3. Add Riot Client to antivirus allow/exclusions list. Fix 4. Clear Riot Client cache. Step 1. Press Win plus R, type %local app to %enter. Step 2. Delete Riot Games folder. Step 3. Relaunch Riot Client. Fix 5. Check Riot Vanguard service. Step 1. Press 1 plus R, type services. MSC. Step 2. Find VGC service. Step 3. Set startup type. Automatic, click Start. Fix 6. Reinstall Riot Client. Last option. Step 1. Uninstall Riot Client and Vanguard from Control Panel. Step 2. Restart PC. Step 3. Download and install latest Riot Client from official site.